This conference will now be recorded.
So Microsoft Dynamics F&O. It is Microsoft Dynamics 365 F&O is the application name. Okay, so you can. So initially, I will speak. Okay, for at least 15 minutes. 15 minutes I will speak, and once it is my demo is completed for 10 minutes, 15 minutes. After that, you can unmute and we can discuss. Okay, if you want to discuss with me, you can discuss with me. Okay, so please wait for 15 minutes I will speak continuously for 15 minutes. Okay, this product name is Microsoft Dynamics 365 F&O. Earlier it is called AX 2012, and before AX 2009, and before there are so many products. It is Accepta 4.0. This is in 2003 and 2004 it is there. Later it is AX 2009. In this there are two versions, 5.0 and 5.1. In this there are so many versions, 6.0, 6.1, 6.2 and 6.3. In Dynamics 365 you have 7.0 version, 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 8.0, 8.1, all are scrapped. Only now 10.0 is running. This is the active or latest version, 10.0 only. These all are scrapped by Microsoft. So now the latest version is Microsoft Dynamics 365 F&O 10.0 version is going on. Okay, so these before Dynamics 365, these are desktop applications. This is web-based applications. These are desktop applications. These are web-based applications. Dynamics 365 is web-based application. What is the best example for web-based application? Means example, bank. If you have bank account, no need to go anywhere. If you go to anywhere in the world, you can understand, or you can go through your web link and your username and password. We can get your bank statement or whatever you want, you can access. So web link, this is web-based application. Here there is no direct connectivity between your bank versus your system. Directly through one web link, username and password, you are able to access your bank account across the globe. You are able to do it. In the same manner, Dynamics application, this Dynamics 365 is web-based application. You will have one LCS link, and one username and password. With that one, you can access the application. Okay, fine. If you want to learn this application, what are the skills required to learn? The first one is domain or functional knowledge. Domain or functional knowledge. What it means? Why, what, where, when, which, all these things. So that means real-time scenarios. Everything is, I will explain on the notepad the way how I am teaching. Now in the notepad, I will explain on the notepad about each and every topic, that is real-time scenarios. Real-time scenarios. Okay. Here, real-time scenarios means, suppose take the example, vendor invoice. Vendor invoice is a transaction. That vendor invoice in the system we can do using 5 different ways. 5 different ways it is available in the system. Then why it was given 5 different ways? We need to understand what is the purpose in the business scenarios. Example like packing slip. Packing slip is also called delivery challan, DC, delivery note, delivery order, issue. There are so many synonyms. You need to understand those terminologies. All these are functional. Functional knowledge or domain knowledge. Next, little technical knowledge. Little technical knowledge means you are not going to write a code. You are not a developer. You are not going to create any code, but you need to understand the terminology. What is this tab? What is this fast tab? Radio button, check boxes, drop down, text. What is this like AOS, application object server? Okay, so small things you need to understand the terminology, technical terminology, so that you can speak with the opposite person with those words. Example for technical is this technical knowledge. I will tell you, your mobile is not working. Your mobile is not working. Whether you will go to like a technician immediately? No. What we will do? What we'll do? We'll go to, first we'll try to restart your mobile, and then try to remove the cache. We'll try to remove the cache, and we'll try to restart, and you will try yourself. Once it is not resolved, then you will go to shop to repair, like to service center. In the same manner, little bit technical knowledge is required. Little bit, very little knowledge is required. Then dynamics, F&O, how to operate. This is how to operate. Next, you need to understand ERP concepts. ERP concepts means ledger, subledger, physical calendar, number sequences. These all are common across any ERP. Those terminologies, those ledger, subledger, enterprise level data, all these things, concepts you need to learn. Okay. Next, if you want to learn finance, you need to have commerce knowledge. Little bit commerce knowledge, little. So you need to clear your mind about the difference between debit and credit. That's it. Debit and credit, the differences, if you are clear about the debits and credits, then it will be easy. Okay. So and then little bit some interview techniques. So to learn all these things, what is your qualification required to learn this one? For me, I need your 10th knowledge. 10th standard knowledge. If you passed 10th class, that is enough for me. I will make sure you will learn all these things. This is my scope. I will make sure you are going to be learn all these things. Then one is extra communication skills. Next, education qualification. Next, practice with the system. And then opportunity opportunity oblique luck. This is to get a job. To get a job, all these things are required. So this 10 qualifications, and just giving you 10 characters or something, key points. These are in my scope. These are in your hand. So you learned excellent, but you are not able to speak with the opposite person in a proper manner. Then no use, because you are not able to express your knowledge to the opposite person. Of course, if you are a technical consultant, you need not to speak with many people. You are speaking with very few people. That is different scenario. But if you are a functional consultant, you need to speak a lot. Whatever you are speaking, it's here. Communication skills means, it does not mean like you have to have excellent vocabulary. That is not required. Whatever you are speaking, the opposite person is able to understand or not. That is more enough. If you are not able to convey your information to the opposite person in a proper manner, no use. Okay, so these are the skills. It is in your hand. These are the skills. I will make sure you are going to learn perfectly. Altogether, it is job. So why I have given luck? Actually, it is not, luck is not the one, but sometimes your friend is having very low knowledge when compared with you, but he got opportunity, you did not. That is luck. That is the reason I have written opportunity for public luck. Okay, whenever you want to learn the how, I need to learn first. First, I need to learn transactions. What do you mean by transactions? Vendor invoice, vendor payment, customer invoice, customer payment. Okay, there are so many transactions will be there inside, a lot. All those things you need to learn. Sales returns, check returns, deposit cancellation, general journal, daily journals. There are so many transactions. First, you need to understand these transactions. You need to understand transactions. Later, you need to understand masters. What is this master? Chart of accounts is a master. Customer is a master. Vendor account is a master. Item one master. Item group one master. Like there are so many masters and submasters. Submasters means item group, vendor group, and setups and configurations. Setups and configurations, and then parameters. All these things you need to learn. Then once you learn, then you need to learn legal entity creation. Once it is legal entity creation, then parameters you need to understand. Then you need to understand setups and configurations. And then you need to understand masters and submasters. Then transactions. This is sample project. This is sample project. You are going to learn. First focus is transactions. So vendor invoice, vendor payment. I have total 22 years of experience. In Dynamics, I have 14 years. In other ERPs, altogether, it is total 22 years of experience. I never posted in live production, I never posted vendor invoice, vendor payment. I never. But I need to learn. The reason behind, you are going to train or you are going to help the business people. You are going to help business people, whoever is doing these transactions. If you don't know how he is creating, how can you help him? So that is the reason you are learning these transactions. But your job is this one. company creation, parameters, setups and configurations, submasters, masters is your task. Once it is everything is ready, then only you can do the transaction. Then only you can do the transaction. Okay, so all these things you are going to learn. So the training will be 8 to 9 a.m. IST, Indian Standard Time, 8 to 9 a.m. IST. It is Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday. That means for US citizens, for US people, for USA, it is Sunday to Thursday. Sunday night. Sunday night to Thursday night for USA. Of course, some other people are also there. Means suppose if you are joining for Europe or Dubai or something, please convert this time zone 8 a.m. IST. Today, whatever it is there, same time. 8 a.m. IST to 9 a.m. IST. So this is finance only. This is finance. Okay. So actually, I will teach even 6 to 7 and 7 to 8. 6 to 7 and AM IST and 7 to 8, but not now because already batch is running. So I cannot start now. This is next month. This is for next month. This is for next month only. And the course duration will be, it is 2.5 months. Okay, plus or minus, it may be increased, it may be decreased 1 week, 2 weeks. I cannot predict. If people are asking many questions, it may be extended. So usually I will not give end date. Usually I will not give end date. Okay, it is 2.5 months roughly. It is closely plus or minus. It may be extended 1 more week, 2 more weeks, maybe. I need your cooperation. Okay, so what are the modules means? Give me a second. So I will teach finance MB 310. I will teach 330 MB 330. This is SCM part. This is also 330. So this is 6 to 7 batch I will teach. This is 7 to 8 or 8 to 9. But now it is 8 to 9 batch. These two are regular batches. Monday to Friday. Okay. This T&L or SCM part of T&L. It is it's a T&L is a part of SCM. This will be covered. Will be like a batch will be next month only, not in this month, because already I have started a batch in the month of April. Okay, April end, mid or end. Then it will be June, July first week or second week. It may be finished. That depends. Okay, it is. I don't know exact date. Okay, so it will be. So in this half only I'm teaching MB 330. There is advanced warehouse management, transportation management, landed cost. This I will teach in the weekends, and the manufacturing also, and project accounting as well. But suppose one batch it is 6 to 8:30. I'm every Saturday, Sunday, 6 to 8:30. I'm teaching this one. Then I cannot teach this one. Once this batch is completed, then I will teach this one, SCM manufacturing. Once it is completed, I will go with this one, because majority people are asking between these two. Project accounting also I can teach, but very few people only will join. So that is the reason it is postponing, keep on postponing. If more people are there for project accounting, I will teach this one also. Okay, I'm not expert in retail. Okay, MB 300 also I'm expert, but usually I'm not teaching. I'm teaching only corporate trainings. MB 300. This is for corporate trainings I'm providing. So this is the batch you are going to learn finance now. If you are looking for T&L, next month I will let you know next month. So finance means general ledger, tax, consolidation module, accounts payable, accounts receivable, credit and collections, cash and management, cash and bank management, credit management, and then fixed assets, budgeting, revenue recognition. All these modules are part of finance. Logistics means sales and marketing, procurement and sourcing, product information management, inventory management, and rebate management is newly introduced. So I will teach high level picture this one. So if you are joining for T&L, you need to learn little bit about finance, little bit about manufacturing, little bit about warehouse management. If you are joining for finance, you are going to learn little bit about T&L. Okay, there will be a overlap. Okay, little bit you are going to learn. Of course, as I told you, I'm not going to teach retail and I'm not going to teach HR. These two are, I'm not expert. Okay, fine. Now you can ask me, you can unmute yourself, you can ask me questions. So today the session may not be going like smoothly. I mean to say like the session, actual session may not start by today because there are many people joined first day. So I want to give you clarifications first. If your clarifications are over, then I will go to the application and I will start teaching this application. So D365 only you are going to learn D365. Before going to understand this one, if you want to understand this application, first I will explain what is this means. Give me a minute. If no doubts are there, then we'll start with this one. Organization chart. I will discuss with this one. And I will explain these things in the system. In the system, I will explain. But I think there are many questions to your mindset. Okay, I think many people may have many questions. You can start, unmute yourself. You can ask me or you can shoot me. Yes, please. Anyone, please.
Satya, Chandra here.
Yeah, Chandra.
So can you again explain again what are the exact topics are you going to cover as part of this course? Because I was confused, like when you said like P&L, finance and everything.
So finance, it is now finance, 8 to 9 batch, now current batch 8 to 9. I'm going to teach you this one.
So only the finance.
Finance. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when you say like a finance and operations module, so is the whatever topics like you're highlighting right now, so those are sufficient for that module, right?
So here actually, so many people will use the word finance, and finance module is called as finance and operations. That is not the correct word. See, Dynamics 365 F&O is application name. This is application name. Okay, finance and operations. This is the product name. Finance and operations. So here operations means these things. These are operations. This is finance. These two are finance. Okay, these are operations. Okay, so many people will misunderstood like finance and operations means finance. Okay, even who is learning from last 3 months also, they're confusing. Okay, so finance and operations is a application name. In this finance module you are learning, in this finance module, these are the modules. Is it clear now, Chandra?
So operations means, so that can be part of anything like peer procurement and management. Oh, all this together. Okay.
Yes, it is operations. That is the F&O is the product name.
Understood. Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
Separate training for operations module.
So I'm providing training now, finance 8 to 9 batch, finance, this module. Understood? The current batch 8 to 9, the current batch now 8 to 9, what are I'm teaching? Now I'm going to start by from today onwards. It is you are going to learn 8 to 9 batch is finance. Finance means these modules: general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, cash and bank, fixed assets, budgeting, 6 modules. Actually in 2012 it is 6 modules only. In D365 tax and consolidation is a separate module. Actually, this is a part of general ledger in 2012. It was separated in D365. And credit and collections is a part of ER earlier. Now it was separated. And credit management is new module, is newly added some more functions. And revenue recognition, some functions added. All these things together you are going to learn in finance. Whether I have given clarifications to your question?
Yeah. So finance is also integrated with like as per the diagram, right, Satya? So it is also integrated with the procurement and sourcing, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
are you covering like any, at least the high level concepts as part of this
Yes,
course,
yes.
or
We
only
need to
finance?
discuss. No, no,
Okay.
there is a overlap. I told you here. Overlap.
Okay.
In this, you are going to learn item group. Item group is a part of finance. Item is a part of finance. Item model group is a part of finance. But you should learn. You should learn little bit. So purchase order invoice, sales order invoice, those also you are going to learn. So the common intersection between finance and T&L intersection you are going to learn. Make sense?
Okay. Got it. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Welcome. Yeah. So Mukul will discuss last Mukul, whatever you have pasted. Okay. Fine. Any more questions, team?
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
Sahan should. Yeah.
Yeah, Satya, actually, I wanted to know about the project management and accounting part. You said you'll not be covering that, right?
Hello.
No, no, no.
Hello.
At this point, no. At this point, no.
Okay. So where can we learn this? Any other resource from where we can learn this?
Actually, I can teach, but I don't have time.
Yeah, I understand. But any other resource that you'll recommend? Because it might go along with
I'm not able to find.
the finance.
So regarding this one, project management and accounting. So if you can have some patience for to wait for some time in the last, I will discuss with you some more details. Okay, if you don't mind. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Fine.
Thank you.
I will give you a little bit more insights. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Any other questions? Someone else is speaking something. Yeah, Rajshekar, anything to discuss? Raja?
Hello.
Yeah, yes, please.
Hello.
Yeah, Raja, are
Can you hear me?
I'm able to hear you. Yeah. Rajshekar.
Sir, actually my office timings at 9 o'clock, sir. I have to start at 8:30. Can I
Okay.
join it, sir?
So it's better to join 7 to
Yeah, I
8
have to
next
start
month.
it.
This batch, try to join next month, because it is, if you want to start by 8:30, then it is no use. Okay, try to join next month, 7 to 8 batch. Okay, you can inform to institute, so they will let you know. Okay,
How
Rajshekar?
around which date, sir, next month?
So date I cannot give you, I cannot promise you now because the batch is running. So I will let you know in the last week only. Means you can approach institute in this month end. Okay, they will give you updates, some tentative date. Okay, Rajshekar?
Sir, right now I'm working on D365, sir. My office has this software, sir. I'm working as an end user, finance
Okay.
executive on this. I would like to go to functional. Which module is better for me to learn, sir?
So
I have
see,
good knowledge.
always, yeah, good question. See, there is always demand is like finance is 60 to 70% demand for finance. Finance demand is always 60 to 70%. In my opinion, SCM, it is 30 to 40. The demand always. Okay, manufacturing, it may be a 10%, around 10%, but very few people only available in the market. Very few
Okay.
people are not available.
Okay.
Okay, so you need to take the decision. So if you want to learn easily, SCM is the shortcut. Easy, but competition will be more. Whereas this one, more opportunities in the market.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
Okay.
Anyone else, please?
Hello,
Yes, Ramna.
sir. I'm looking for manufacturing sector.
Okay.
Is there any batch for that?
So currently, already manufacturing is going on in the weekend, but I cannot start
Okay.
now. You need to wait for another 3 months. Sorry.
Another 3 months.
Yeah. Because
Okay.
see, the problem is I'm working employee, so
Okay.
for
Okay.
I cannot accommodate these many batches. Already 6 to 7 this one, 7 to 8 and one batch, and 8 to 9 one batch. So in the weekdays, completely occupied. And in the weekend, I'm conducting one batch this one. Once it is completed, I'm conducting this one. Once it is completed, I'm conducting this one. And then I need to spend at least 3-4 hours in the weekends for my growth. My
Okay.
learnings. My learnings. So I'm not able to find time. That is the main problem.
Is there any difference in SEM and manufacturing, sir?
So actually, that is SCM is a very big word. So that's why I have written like this SCM. In SCM, in my opinion, one is trade and logistics is one module, and this is warehouse management and transportation management and landed cost, one module I made separately. This is manufacturing. As per Microsoft, MB330 is together. These two are SCM, and this is called
Okay.
SCM manufacturing. All are SCM only.
Okay.
So I cannot teach the entire MB330 together in one shot. So I have divided into two parts. One is I'm teaching 6 to 7 batch, and this is I'm teaching in the weekend.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, have you covered retailer module, sir, in this session?
No. Retail is I'm not
Retailer.
expert at retail. No, I'm not expert at all.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, weekend manufacturing session, when it is started, it is covered 50% or covered?
Already 70%. It is 60 to 70% covered. So you cannot join this in this one. You need to wait for 3 months. You cannot join.
Sir, can you
I get
provide
the
any demo
recording?
for manufacturing?
So see if I'm providing manufacturing demo, what is the use? I cannot start the batch.
We will wait for 2 months, sir.
Okay, but so we'll discuss this point. If whoever is looking for manufacturing, you can like type here in the chart. I'm looking for manufacturing. So by looking into the number of people, we'll discuss that one later.
Satya, are these sessions being recorded?
Yes, it will be recorded, and you will get video recording sessions also. You cannot download it. You can only view purpose. That is only view purpose. You can view for your email ID, for your personal email ID. Institute will arrange you the recording sessions. You can go through that video recording sessions.
Yeah,
For
if
how long we
recordings
will
are available. Excuse me.
That is available up to 6 to 9 months after completion of this
Okay.
course. 6 to 9 months.
And what about the
Yes.
practical session, sir?
So for the practicals, okay, I will discuss with you. Just give me a minute for practicing the environment. Practicing the environment. So
yes,
for this we have like one is in your laptop install. For this, I will give you one number. I will give you one number. You can approach this person. Give me a minute. Nine 4942. Okay, 54826. Okay. So team, whoever is in touch with me, no need to share your details for whoever is in touch with me. Okay, so Raj Shekhar, his name is Raj Shekhar. Okay, he will install in your system. So here there are three parties. One is institute, one is me, third one is Rajshekhar. Rajshekhar is looking into installation. Okay, he will charge money. He will charge money, some money. He will charge some money, and institute will arrange video recording sessions, access to your email ID, and I'm providing training every day. Okay, so regarding fee, so whoever is in touch with institute, you can discuss with institute. Whoever is in touch with me, you can discuss with me directly, because some people are approaching me directly, so those people will approach me directly. Okay, so this Rajshekhar, it is my best suggestion. Get it installed in your laptop. Okay, that is first option. Second option, temporary. Temporary link I will arrange you. Once you become my student, we will create one WhatsApp group. Whoever is paid fee, that will be added in that group. Okay, and in that group you will get I will provide you the temporary link. This is only for 2 hours. Every day 2 hours it will be collapse. It's like you can open once again, it will be lapsed after 2 hours. Once again if you open, it will be lapsed in 1 hour, 2 hours. So every 2 hours it will be refreshed. Means whatever you have created earlier, the data that will be disappeared. Whatever it is default data is there, that will be there. So this is only for temporary purpose, you can use it. Okay, third option is there. Recently I found it. Earlier it is not there. It is 180 days. 180 days you can access. You can access 180 days. So actually this is 30 days access. 30 days access can be extended every month. Every 30 days you can extend. Okay, this is I have discussed with them, so it is around, they are telling like 3,000 rupees. So this is newly
Per month?
found. It's not per month, it is for actually you are purchasing for 30 days for 3,000, but you are extending every 30 days up to 6 months, like 180 days will be extended. It is extending. Okay. To be frankly, you are correct. For 30 days only 183,000, but it is extending. You can extend it through some other way.
Okay.
Up to 180 days. After that, it cannot extend. This is recently I found, last week only. Last week only I found it. So I will actually I need to provide these details to Rajshekhar. So Rajshekhar will help you, because you cannot approach this is Microsoft arranging. Okay, so everyone you want to approach means you want to get, it is a little bit complex. Okay, so I will include Rajshekhar. Okay, Rajshekhar will get the this kind of license kind of thing, and he will help you on behalf of you. This is recently found. Earlier I am not able to find this one. Because of this, many students are not joined. Literally, the reason behind, laptop they don't have 16 GB RAM, then it is very difficult for that one. So he can do it, like suppose your laptop is 8 GB. Okay, he can extend it to 16 GB by paying, if you pay some money, like he will do the extension and everything by making 16 GB. So it is required minimum 16 GB RAM. If it is installed in your laptop, this will be forever. This will be forever. You need not to install something. This is the best practice. In your laptop it is there. In your laptop it is there. This is the temporary link, is for temporarily only. Sometimes it may work, sometimes it may not work. It is not, we cannot predict. People will approach me, sir, this is not working, this is not working. What I can do? I cannot do. That is Microsoft managed, Microsoft controlled link. I can't do anything. Sometimes when I'm practicing, I want to do, suppose my system is not working. When I'm opening this one, if it is not working, I can't do anything. Okay, but this is the last option, is this one. Like if you don't have laptop, if your laptop is 4 GB RAM only, you cannot extend it. It is old laptop, then you can use this one. But if it is a 4 GB RAM, means it is very slow. It is very slow. Okay, but you can manage it. Always the best option is 16 GB laptop.
Satya, I have one question here.
Yeah, and sorry to interrupt you, Arun. Just give me 1
Yeah.
minute. So please share your details. Whoever is joined first day today, if you are not in touch with me, and because you don't know, like because institute will change the GoToMeeting links. GoToMeeting link, me and the institute will change the link. If it is changed the link, we need to convey the information to you. So today and tomorrow the same link, but after tomorrow, day after tomorrow, it will be new link will be shared. So if you want to share, if you want to share the link, you need to provide your details, please. Okay, you can provide your details to in the chart. In the chart, you can provide details. Yes, please, Arun. Yeah, Arun, please. Arun, you are in mute, Arun, I think. Yeah, anything
Okay,
else?
Satya.
Yeah.
Satya, I have one question.
Yes, please.
This manufacturing course you are doing, right? Already you are giving, right?
Yeah.
Can I take the recordings and continue with that? Why? Because I'm
Sorry.
interested with that.
So sorry to say this one, only for finance and T&L. These two are only provided video recording sessions. Only for these two. And for these two and for this one, I'm not providing any video recording sessions. I'm not providing because this is a rare skills. Okay. I don't want to, because sometimes it is getting pirated by people. I don't want to lose. Okay, so I'm not providing. I'm sorry, really. I'm not providing for manufacturing, WMS and TMS and PME. These three, I'm not providing any video recording sessions. Only if you are comfort with live sessions. I mean to say, if you are comfort to join every day morning, Saturday, Sunday, only Saturday, Sunday, 6 to 8:30. If you are able to join, then only I can teach this.
When is the next
now,
batch for warehouse management?
yeah, when is next batch for warehouse management? Same
So
question.
this is most probably next month. It is going to be completed like this month end or first week of next month. Okay, next first week or second week. Then I will start this warehouse management and transportation management. This one.
So any tentative date?
That's what it is. Maybe mid of July. Mid of July. Maybe it is around maybe 16th. Maybe 16th.
Satya, I want some help. I want to
Yeah.
do finance, trade and logistics, and warehouse management. Can you tell me how I can manage them?
So you
Or
can
how
join
we
now.
can quickly get done.
Yeah, you can join now for finance now. Okay, 8 to 9 batch. Then you can join for T&L next batch. T&L in this warehouse management. Next month you can join. But the thing is, like, you need to understand T&L first. Then only you can understand warehouse management. So minimum to minimum knowledge you need to learn about this related to this area.
For T&L, can I take the previous videos and then join the current batch? Is it possible?
My suggestion, I will give you suggestion, Sriram, am I right? This is Sriram. Yeah. Okay, so Sriram, I think you have already contact details from me, am I right? You have already.
I wanted to speak to you, but I could not speak to you.
Okay. Yesterday you are asked to institute to arrange a conference call, but unable to manage. Okay, fine, no problem. My suggestion is, Sriram, you can pay for both finance and T&L institute. Okay, then you will get the old video recording sessions, and you can join to next week, next month. You can join for live sessions also. Understood? So time being, if you want, you can go through video recording session for the last batch for time being. Okay, and you can join for next batch as T&L consultant. So if you join for both, because live sessions is always effective. Why I'm telling this one? Suppose if it is a video recording session, your friends, your relatives, your brother, your sister, your wife, your child, your mother, they will disturb you a lot if you are listening video recording session. But if it is a live session, they will not disturb you. Is it? Your 100% efforts will be, you can keep it for live sessions. if it is video recording sessions, many people will disturb you. Am I right?
Okay.
Whether I'm-
Yep.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So that is the reason it is better to join for both. For time being, if you want, you can like if you want, we'll discuss one-to-one conference call through Institute after this session at 9:30. Okay, Srinath?
Yes. 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 Yes.
Fine. Yeah. Any more questions, team? Anyone?
Hi Satya, this is Ayyappa.
Yeah, yes, please.
Yeah. Satya, you said that finance and trade and logistics, right?
Yeah.
How much fees are charging for finance and as well as trade and logistics?
So Institute will in touch with you. I think you have provided already your details, mobile number and everything, am I right? So Institute will will give you the details. Okay.
Can you see 1 second? Can you change the timing, sir? Because 8 to 9 is an office coming time. Is it possible to prepone it 7:30 to 8:30, something like that?
So that's what if it is. See, the current batch it is 8 to 9. Next month I will conduct 7 to 8 and 6 to 7. 6 to 7 is T&L. Next month, this is next month, and 7 to 8 finance. Then you can, if it is not feasible this month, this timings, then you can join next month.
I want to say that I got an opportunity. I was selected as an associate manager in Accenture actually on Dynamics.
Understood.
Yeah.
Okay, understood.
Based on the Dynamics 365, based on my past experience as well as my implementation experience, I just want to learn the tool for in order to cook up my job and all those things.
At the earliest, that is your answer. Am I right? At the earliest.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so Ayyappa will
Can you help me in this regard?
Yeah. Can you ask Institute to arrange a conference call with me? Okay. Okay, we'll discuss one-to-one. Okay.
Sure. Thank you.
Yeah. So you can share your details to Institute, and you can call inform to Institute, like they will arrange a conference call. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. Anything else?
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Anything else? Anyone?
Satya, I have one question for you.
Yes, sir. Please.
So you mentioned that laptop 16 GB is the first option, and the third one is 180 days, right?
Yeah.
So is there any difference in terms of trial version or official version in this kind of things?
There is no much differences. But this one, it may be little bit latest version.
Okay.
This may be little bit means it may be 6 months differences version, but this will be forever in your laptop. This is initially 30 days. Every 30 days it was extending 6 times. Got it?
Yeah, got it.
You need to choose. This is actually this option is not there up to last week. Recently I found for students benefit.
Okay.
So, and one more thing, if it is in case, if it is any problem or anything, it is a lengthy process. You need to raise a request to Microsoft, the corresponding team members, and you need to wait. And whereas this one is, everything is in your laptop only. Rajshekhar will look into your system. It is local hosted. Got my point?
Got it.
It is completely in your control. This is whereas this one, if it is any problems, if you are doing something wrong and if it is not working, then you need to request a Microsoft, a corresponding team. You need to raise a request and you need to wait for some time and you need to do that one. Okay, fine. So I cannot compare like which one is the best means. I cannot compare. Little because this is a recent like enhancement, a recent found. So I don't know what are the drawbacks, what are the advantages. 100% I don't know. I know the high level picture, I know, but not 100% in and out. Once some people, some students taken this one, Then we came to know like what is the advantages, what is the minus disadvantages. Okay. Fine. Any more questions? So yeah, Mukul will discuss definitely. I remembered. I will discuss with you definitely. Yeah. Something. Anything else, please?
Hi, Satya.
Yeah, Mohammed Rafi. Yes, please, Rafi.
Yeah. Actually, if we are going to take finance module, then it is mandatory to take logistic as well.
No, it's not mandatory. Simple. If you are going to a battle, whether we need to have one weapon or two weapons, it is your wish. Okay. Simple. You are getting into a battle, then whether I need to have one weapon or two weapons. Two weapons will have less competition. One weapon will have larger competitions. Always, if you have money, sorry, not money. First, if you have time. If you have time, second one is money, then I will suggest you to learn these two together, because finance and T&L, trade and logistics and finance together is wife and husband kind of thing. Wife and husband. Okay, so because wife and husband coordination, cooperation is more, the family will be success. Okay, with single also you can get a job definitely. So majority people, whoever is joining my sessions, whoever learn finance, suppose maybe 20%, 30% people will join for both. Some people, what they will do, they will join for this one first. Once they got job, they will join for this one. Some people, they will join for this one. Once they got job, they will learn this one. And some people, they will learn along with this one, they will learn this one. So majority are through referrals only. I will get a lot. Institute and referrals, because it is mouth spread is more for my trainings rather than.
Yeah.
What is the course duration for T&L?
So either one, it is 2.5 months. Any one, it is 2.5 months. I need 2.5 months. I don't have any fast tracks. Minimum 2.5 months. It may be extended plus or minus 1 week, plus maybe 1 week, plus maybe 2 weeks. It may be, but like I don't have any fast tracks, anything for any course. I don't have any fast tracks. It is roughly around 50 to 60 hours, around 50 hours, minimum 50 hours a week to teach you. Yeah. Any questions, please? Anyone?
Any chance for fast tracks?
Course is complete, but regarding the course subject and all, can you contact directly, sir?
Come again, Rajshekhar.
Is there any possibility of the
regarding classes, can we contact directly and clarify the doubts regarding your classes once questions completed, when you are available?
Okay, fine. So his question is like, once the completion of the course, then if I need any help, what is the next action? That's what you are asking him, right, Rajshekhar?
Yes.
So for that, see, to be frankly, I have 3 WhatsApp groups as of now. One WhatsApp group is around 220, 230 members, around 230. Another WhatsApp group also 230. Another WhatsApp group is more than 100. So all are my students only. Okay, I cannot include that 230. So it is 230, 220, 230. I cannot include more because it is not possible more than 256. So I have created a Telegram group. In Telegram group, it is more than 600 people are there. All in 600 group, around 400 are my students, 350 to 400. Remaining 200 people are outside people also joined. In that group, there will be discussions happens. So you can post that one and you can understand. So if it is, suppose I will tell you one example. Majority times my senior students will help you in that group. Means who learned from me 3 years back, 4 years back. So I'm providing training from last 10 years. I'm providing training from last 10 years. Okay, from 3 years it is growing like anything. Earlier it is very small, means in a batch 3 to 4 members. Now in these batches, now around 25 to 25 to 35. Now, okay, senior students are there. They will help you. What is the solution? So if it is really complex, then if I'm looking at that one, I will give a separate call. I will give. But if it is small things, I may not. Okay. If it is really complex, you can ping me in WhatsApp group 1-to-1 also. Based on my availability, I will try. If I have time, I will try to help you. But this help, if it is a complex only, I will join. I will call you. If it is the small things, I will not, because that is you need to search, you need to grow. My way of teaching is, I will teach you in such a way that, example, I will teach you. Suppose you want fruit, I will not climb the tree, and I will not go to the branch of the tree, and I will not cut it, and I will not give it to you. If I'm doing this one, you will keep silent in the ground only, and you will enjoy the how to eat fruit. But I will teach you to how to climb the tree, and how to reach end point of the like a branch, and you need to cut it, your fruit, and you need to come down. Then you know the pain. So, and you know, second time you will not depending on me. So my way of teaching is how to cut a fruit from the tree and how to eat. That is the way I will teach. If you are expecting like I need to climb and I need to cut like a fruit and I need to give it to you, no. Majority training institutes, they will explain you in such a way. They will cut it and they will give it to you. So you don't know the pain, and you will be happy. You are eating only fruits. That is not the case. So I will, in my teachings, it will be a little bit motivation sessions also will be there sometimes little bit. So that's what my way of learning, my way of teaching.
So can I listen recorded sessions and join for live in next month's 7 to 8 batch? As I
Yeah, you can. See, that's what actually you can join for next month. You can join for next month 7 to 8. Then you can go through that video recording sessions also, no problem. Okay.
So right now I can take video recording sessions and
see
next month I can.
So if you are able to pay the complete fee, sure, they will arrange. I don't think so. It is not in a hurry for you, am I right? Because for Sriram, he is in a hurry. Okay, so he will pay the entire amount now, and he can get that one. But for you, why it is hurry?
Because I have time right now, sir. Next month, how it is going to be for my time, not sure. But maybe so, see, I can let you it in this month. And also, I can join for live session.
So that's what your wish. If you are in a hurry, if you are able to pay the full amount, full payment.
Okay, sir.
If you pay the full amount, then institute will arrange that one temporarily. Okay. My suggestion is not required if you are not in a hurry, because that Sriram is already joined and he is a manager, associate manager or manager, and he wants to understand the application at the earliest. He will pay the full amount.
Okay.
Okay. For you, why it is hurry? That's what my intention. If you are in really hurry, pay the full amount, then you will get the access for at least temporarily for video recording sessions. Okay. Once these live sessions are there, then you will be removed from the old one and you will get live sessions. Okay.
Okay.
If you really hurry, you can discuss.
Okay. Because I have time, that's what I can learn this. Why to be
so, but 7 to 8 is not a problem, am I right, Rajshekhar, for you?
It's very good enough for me, sir. 7 to 8.
7 to 8 is a complex?
No, sir. It's very good enough for me, sir. It's very
then it's fine. It's fine. You can join for next session. So that is my suggestion. If you are in a hurry to understand, because see, video recording sessions you cannot understand, because Sriram is a already experienced person. He can manage it.
Okay.
Understood? He is a manager.
Okay.
It's fine. Yeah. Any more questions, team?
Would you?
Hello, Satya sir.
Yes, please, Karthikeyan.
Yeah, sir, I just need to know that after taking this finance module, whether it's mandatory to do the certification for this, sir.
At present, it is not mandatory. If you are planning to travel other countries, then
okay,
it is better to do it here in India, because in India it is $80 plus taxes, whereas in USA or other countries it is $165. So it is costly. Other countries. So if you are planning to move some other country, do it here in India and go to abroad. If you are not going anywhere, so there is no special importance. Whoever is certified, there is no difference between certified and non-certified people. Okay, in India.
Okay.
So
Okay,
once
sir.
you joined in a company, you can try for reimbursement.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Any more questions, team? Anyone? Any questions, team? Anyone?
Hi, Satya. Vijay here.
Yeah, Vijay.
Yeah, one question.
Yeah, Babu, just
After
wait for
completion
one. If you don't mind, please wait. Just a minute. Vijay. Yes, Vijay, speak.
Yes. Yes. So, Satya, are you giving daily exercise activities for us to? Is there any project?
So it is not like I'm giving exercise to you. So first thing is you can whatever I'm teaching, you need to practice. Whatever I'm teaching, you need to practice, and you need to go through my video recording sessions. After 1 month, I will teach you 1 month or 1.5 months. I will teach you a company creation process. It is a sample project. This one you need to do. I will show you one time. Suppose Monday I have started, and it will be continued for 2 weeks. Company creation process, or 1.5 week. Then first day to second day, you need to do it like this. This company creation process you need to do at least 20 to 25 times. You need to do it. This is the major important, crucial to understand better application. For better understanding about this application, you can use this company creation process a lot. So initially you are listening and you are practicing whatever I said. Later, once you learn this one, you need to practice this one every day. You need to create one new company. Then you will understand complete grip on that one. Is it fine, Vijay?
Okay, Satya. So you said we have 2 hours timeline. After that, the thing will get reset to the beginning.
So that is the reason I never told you like this is a permanent solution. This is a temporary solution.
Okay.
So if you want permanent solution, the first best option is this one. Second option, recently I choose. I have verified. I'm not sure what is the advantage and what is the disadvantages of this one. But this is a temporary solution only. I never told you like it will be available, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I have one question.
Yeah, Babu,
After
please.
completion of this course, can I pass the exam if I clearly understand what is the course? No, complete each and every content.
Definitely. I can guide you something else, one-to-one, Babu. Once the sessions are over, I can guide you to complete your certification. Okay, I'm not going to teach you. I can guide you.
Okay.
Hello.
Anything else? Yes, please. Charan.
So this is Sharan, sir. Sir, I am
Yes,
a
sir.
fresher now. What
Yeah.
all should I learn? I mean, finance or some other you said no recently.
So see, that's what always my suggestion. If you have time and if you have money, try to learn both.
Means overlap, there will be no confusion.
No problems. No problems.
With
Majority people they will learn. Yeah.
Okay,
So
sir.
if you have time, first one is time, because you are a fresher, you don't have like you have lot of time because you are not working, and money.
Yes.
Second thing is money. So if you have these two, try to learn both. Try to learn both because you are a fresher. You can try for the opportunities quickly. If you have two weapons, you can win the chance. Winning chances are more if you have two weapons rather than one weapon.
One more thing, sir. For dynamics, what all should I learn? I mean, dynamics means what? I mean, entire thing is dynamics or
Application name is Microsoft Dynamics 365 F&O. Is the application name. SAP is application name. SAP is application name. In that, FICO is one module. SD is one module. MM is one module. In the same manner, Microsoft Dynamics F&O is application name. In that, finance is one module. Trade and logistics one module, manufacturing one module. In SAP it is called FICO. In Dynamics it is called finance.
Okay.
Understood? That's it.
Yes.
The namings are changed. Okay, Charan?
So yeah, SAP FICO and Dynamics Finance both are same.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Anything else? Anyone? Okay. So one of our colleague is asking like Institute. Mukul is asking something else. Institute, can you stop recording?